prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
Oh, Morris, how much trouble can one little dog be? Did she ever walk you once? We in June? It's gotta be 20 below. What's the matter, your pipe frozen? Come on, another dog did it. You could do it too. Ah, thank you. I didn't see anybody. I was cleaning up my dog's crap. The whole place blew up.
It's on the baggie over there. You think forensics wants it?
No. What about my dog? She ran away. She's afraid of loud noises.
Well, she's living in the wrong town, pal. Keep an eye out for his dog. Maybe a homeless guy lit a fire. It's a cold night.
Hell of a can of Sterno.
Not if you put it on top of a propane tank.
Well, we're trying to reach a construction company. See what kind of flammables they had around. Nobody's answering the night number.
So what? We just sit around here all night? Hey, why don't you Washington guys build us a campfire and we'll toast some marshmallows?
We're tracking the seat of the explosion. When the site cools, we start sifting. Now, you keep your guys from messing up the scene.
Hey! Over here! It's a kid. Where'd they find him?
Up there. Yeah, did you see his face? Must have been smashed by a girder.
Did he say anything?
He was crying. It's lucky they heard him.
Let's hope he keeps rolling sevens.